So hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my another video. So from this video, I'm gonna show you how to learn Python in just 20 days. So if you're ready for learning Python, so hit that like button and subscribe to this channel to get latest updates. So let's begin. So for installing Python, firstly you have to open your Chrome browser. And now you have to write Python download. And now go to the official website www.python.org. I will leave the link in the description. So now go ahead and download. And now you can install the latest version of Python in the Windows. You can also install it in Macintosh using these links. And now you have to install it. Download it. So the file will be downloading, so it might take a bit time. So even my computer network is a bit slow, so you could grab a cup of coffee and you might take it. So after your executable file is downloaded, you can now click on it. So it will show this window. Install Python 3.10 for install Python 3.10 64-bit version. So now we have to take this add python.exe to the path. So it will add so this will add your python.exe to your environmental path. So now go ahead and install it. So after installing it, close this and now close your Chrome. And after that, go to your command prompt and now type here Python. So if this is showing you Python 3.11.1, so that means your Python is installed. And you can write this line exit for getting out of this thing. And now if you're writing pip and it's not showing, so don't worry, we'll make a video soon for fixing this. But if pip is showing to you, then there's no need to worry. Now close your command prompt. And for this video, we have got to know how to install Python latest version in our Windows operating system. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video and share it with your family so more people in India or any other country could learn programming. So thank you for watching. Bye.